Good morning, dear friends. Our running topic is polynomials. So, in that, I am going to explain very important concept from the polynomial. Division of polynomial. So, first you have to know what is the division algorithm. Division algorithm is nothing but dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. It means, for example, 29 I am dividing with 3. 29 I am dividing with 3. Here 29 is called dividend and 3 is a divisor. 3 9s are 27. Remainder 2. So here 2 is a remainder. 2 is a remainder. And 9 is nothing but quotient. What is division algorithm? Division algorithm is nothing but dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here 29 I am dividing with 3. So here 29 is called a dividend. 3 is called a divisor. 3 9s are 27. 9 is called quotient and 2 is called remainder. So here one question: divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square and verify division algorithm. So before going to do division, first you have to check whether given polynomial is in standard form or not. So what is the meaning of standard form? You have to arrange the polynomial in according to degrees. Fourth degree, second, like that. So first, given polynomials are not in standard form. What is the given polynomial? 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5. So I am writing into standard form. It means first minus x cube, then after plus 3x square, then after minus 3x plus 5. And second polynomial x minus 1 minus x square. So what is the standard form of this one? Minus x square plus x minus 1. First you have to check the order. Then after divide the polynomial. X minus 1 minus x square plus x minus 1 minus x square plus x minus 1. So minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Now you have to divide the polynomial minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 by minus x square plus x plus minus 1. So to divide the polynomial, here some steps are there. Step 1. So what is the first term of the given polynomial? Minus x cube. So take the minus x cube. What is the first term of this polynomial? Minus x square. Minus gets cancelled. So 2 are cancelled. So remaining only x. So beside of this, we have to take this polynomial. What is that? Minus x square plus x minus 1. Now multiply this. Minus x cube plus x square minus x. Write the answer here. Minus x cube plus x square minus x. So I multiplied with x. So that is nothing but you have to write in the quotient column. Then after change the symbols. Plus, minus and plus. So both are cancelled. 3x square minus 1x square, 2x square. Minus 3x plus x minus 2x. Now I am taking 5 downside. Now step 2. In every step, take the first term of this one. Here, what is the first term? 2x square. Then after, take the first term of this one. What is that? Minus x square. cancel. So what is the answer here? Minus 2 is the answer. So beside of this one, you have to write given polynomial. What is that? You have to write divisor. Minus x square plus x minus 1. Now multiply. Minus into minus plus 2 into x square, 2x square. Plus into minus minus 2 into x, 2x. Minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2. So write the answer here. 2x square minus 2x plus 2. This minus 2 you have to write in the quotient column. Tell me now, minus, plus and minus, both are cancelled. This also cancelled. 5 minus 3. So, how we can decide 3 is a remainder? In polynomials, degree of remainder. In polynomials, in division of polynomials, we have to stop the division. When you have to stop the division, if the degree of remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. If you get degree of the remainder less than the degree of the divisor, you can stop. What is the degree of remainder here? Degree of remainder is equal to 0. Next, degree of divisor is equal to 2. So here degree of the remainder less than the degree of the divisor. So you can stop the division. So we can say x square plus x minus 1 is a divisor. Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. It is a dividend. And x minus 2 is a quotient. And 3 is nothing but remainder. 3 is nothing but remainder. What is the question here? Divide the polynomial and verify the division algorithm. What is the division algorithm? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That we have to verify. So now 10th class students, according to question, what is the dividend? Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. What is the divisor? Minus x square plus x minus 1. And quotient is nothing but x minus 2. And remainder 3. Now you have to verify division algorithm. First of all, what is the division algorithm? Division algorithm. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Plus remainder. So here what is the dividend? Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal. What is the divisor here? Minus x square plus x minus 1. Then what is the quotient here? X minus 2. What is the remainder? 3. Now multiply this. Minus x square into x minus 2 plus x into x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 3. Here minus x cube minus into minus plus 2x square plus x square minus 2x. Then after minus x into minus plus 2 plus 3. Here minus x cube here plus 3x square minus 2x minus x minus 3x plus 5. So clearly observe here minus x cube plus 3x square plus 3x square minus 3x minus 3x plus 5 plus 5. So here division algorithm is also verified. So 10th class students, here one of the important question from 10th class. It is a concept of division algorithm. According to question, solution. On dividing, it means dividend is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. So the dividend I am taking as p of x. Then after by a polynomial g of x, it means here g of x, it means divisor. Value not there. Then quotient, it means q of x. What is the question here? X minus 2 and remainder is equal to minus 2x plus 4. So here we have the value of dividend and quotient and also remainder, but I don't know g of x. You have to find them. According to division algorithm, what we can write? Dividend, it means p of x is equal to divisor, it means g of x into quotient q of x plus remainder. According to division algorithm, what we can write? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the dividend here? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equal. Here g of x value not there, so let it be. What is the quotient here? X minus 2 into what is the remainder? Minus 2x plus 4. Minus 2x plus 4. See here, minus 2x and plus 4 I am transporting to left side. X cube minus 3x square plus x minus 2x we can add as plus 3 plus 2x plus 2 plus 4 we can add as minus 4 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. Now x cube minus 3x square means minus 3x square plus x plus 2x we can add as 3x plus 2 minus 4 we can add as minus 2 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. Now x minus 2 I am transporting to left side. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2 is equal to g of x. So to get the value of g of x, we have to divide the given polynomial by x minus 2. So here, to get the value of g of x, you have to divide x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. So step 1. In step 1, what is the first term of this one? X cube by first term of this one x. So here 1 cancelled, so remaining x square. So beside of that x square you have to write x minus 2. X square into x cube minus 2x square. So here, right here, x cube minus 2x square minus plus, both are cancelled. Minus 3x square plus 2x square we can add as minus x square. So similarly I am taking plus 3x. Say, here what is the first term? Minus x square. Step 2. And here first term x. 1x cancelled. So remaining minus x. So x minus 2. Minus x square and plus 2x. So here minus x square plus 2x. Plus minus cancel. What is the remaining? X and minus 2. X by x is equal to 1. 1 into x minus 2 is equal to x minus 2 plus 1. X minus 2 minus plus. So remainder 0. So this is the value of the g of x is equal to x square minus 1 plus 1. So finally we can write g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. So then questions, here is the worksheet. Divide x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 by a polynomial x square minus 2 and verify division algorithm. Second question, verify whether p square minus 3 is a factor of 2p power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. By dividing, if you get remainder 0, we can say p square minus 3 is a factor of given polynomial. So complete the homework.